Google knows everything about my routine, man. If it involves getting in the car and going there,
they listen.
This is my search history in the cloud. That's not good. That's not good.
We're all in the cloud. We're in the cloud right now. Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Today we're looking at the scratchula.
Count Scratchula.
It's my cherry.
Let me see this. I don't think I've ever held this before.
I don't think you did either.
Porous material.
It's fine.
It's fine. Don't try and start a restaurant and be serving stuff up with this. I'm going to take apart your coffin.
And also continuing with October, a nasty candy for every follow-up in October today, Adam.
It's quite the nasty one.
We're eating dots.
Fucking dot. I like how you like tilt it up and the ones that should be rolling down are not. Oh, okay. Well, there's our first ones.
Oh.
I hate these.
I'm gonna need toothpaste.
Yeah. Like right from the get-go, it's like, there's going to be a piece of me stuck in your gums for 5 years. Do you like gingivitis?
There's your toothpick.
If it sticks to your teeth like this, how do you think it sticks to your intestines?
How's the green one?
I don't know. It tastes like green.
The flavor, at least on the red one, isn't horrible.
It's a texture thing, man.
Yeah. You bite into it, and as you release, it stays put on the teeth.
I know, and you gotta like lick your gums for 9 years.
The other one is not good. I think the red one had the best flavor.
Damn it.
So that video came out late Friday night, and it was a dumb reason that it came out late.
Are you gonna tell them the dumb reason?
My brain was just a day behind. Thursday night, I'm like thinking it's Wednesday. I was like, I've got another day to edit that video. Wake up for work Friday morning, and I was like,
oh no, it's today.
That was due today. It was just rushed.
Sometimes the procrastination just takes a hold, man.
I only heard from Kevin and Gary.
Thanks for showing up, guys.
Yeah. Both Kevin and Gary asked, how was it cutting this aluminium on the bandsaw? Guys, it was easy. Aluminum is a metal that you could use your woodworking tools on.
It's the stuff they make soda cans out of.
Aluminium.
As they say it across the pond. Even though there's not a Y in there.
Oh, what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The only thing is, my bandsaw screams when you're running it through there. Hearing protection is a must. Kevin said YouTube didn't notify him. Shame YouTube.
The algorithm fails!
Bad algorithm. I've heard other YouTubers address this issue with some of their viewers. Just check the notification bell and see what option you have selected.
You don't ever clean this thing out. You're just putting raw ass candy in here. Raw circumcised dots.
So that was it on that. No, it's not milk. I can tell already. I can tell immediately it's not milk.
That's a solid piece of bullshit. Did you almost choke on your dot?
When you said that. Last Wednesday, I asked what everybody's favorite use for scrap wood is. Luke Silverfish says best use of scrap wood is to let his kids use it.
For what?
So they can learn to use tools. He says if we're looking for more food, he might be able to get something for us to try. And asked if we'd be willing to try pepper chocolate. Pepper chocolate, Luke?
I hope it's not chili.
Is it like a Carolina Reaper dipped in chocolate?
Yeah.
Or is it like chocolate with pepper on it?
I really doubt it's chocolate with pepper on it.
Well, it just says pepper chocolate.
It's probably chocolate with like Carolina Reaper pepper in it.
Gary says scrap wood is used for making piles of scrap wood in the corner of the shop.
Oh, well that's very crafty.
That's what I do with most of it, Gary. Steve I. Say hello to Steve I.
Hello, Steve I. What did he say?
Hey, he was just saying that you were right. That it was him. You were thinking of the correct Steve I.
Oh, he says he loves our channel.
He loves the channel. Thanks, Steve I.
Thank you.
I don't know you IRL,
it's
but
mostly him. He's a cool guy. He's a cool guy.
I am. Hashtag humble.
Hashtag humbled. Ew.
Dude, what?
You're gross.
I thought you discovered, I just saw the drink in your hand and heard, ew. I was like, oh, did you drop a dot in there?
Drop it. It's tainted. Can't drink it anymore.
Like, the fruit flavor isn't bad, but there's almost like a chemical-y type thing afterwards. The aftertaste. Work a man.
Work a man.
He loves the vids. Ton of fun. And educational.
Thank you,
working man.
Educational, I don't know about Christmas dots! I don't like the noise that they make.
I don't like the feel that they make. Y'all see Adam's pumpkin with its erect stem?
That's not my pumpkin.
Well, it's on your side.
But it's not my pumpkin.
It's on your side.
This pumpkin belongs to him, officer. A pumpkin fight? Yeah. Gore each other's eyes with pumpkin
That would
stems.
hurt. No, we're going to carve these when it gets closer to Halloween.
Should we?
But that was actually it for comments on that one. We ate the nasty old Tootsie Rolls in that video.
One of these days, I better show up and there better just be a pile of burritos here.
My weekly question, man.
Do you have one?
I do have one.
Oh.
And it's a little bit of a self-indulgent weekly question. Because I want to know, have any of y'all ever built anything that you've seen on this channel?
Ooh.
Have you ever built a Means Woodshop project? Or something similar? Adam, have you ever built a Means Woodshop project?
Not a Means Woodshop project. Done several Means Music Shop projects.
He has.
I mean, that's technically contributing. That's my contribution.
What's your question?
Oh, I haven't.
Ask a question.
I gotta ask a question, man.
The rest of these are going away. I'm sick of it.
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm not eating no more. Got me right in the ear. You're gonna get it through your ear. I'm legit aiming for your ear holes now.
So you can get it. Oh. The neck.
No.
Alright, open up your mouth.
Oh, dude, it's gonna go to the back of my throat. It's not even going.
Here,
I'm scared.
Face. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh!
You've done it!
I've noticed that different big cities, the drivers in them have different etiquette.
Yeah.
I much prefer driving in Austin, even though it is crowded, even though there's a lot of traffic, to like the Dallas-Fort Worth area, where nobody will let you edge in. Doesn't matter how long you've been waiting.
Shame on you, Dallas, by the way.
Yeah, shame on you, Dallas. Austin's got you.
Y'all are some main drivers, man.
I actually think that Austin has Longview beat even, and Longview doesn't have that much traffic. They're just dickhead drivers.
Shame on you, Longview.
Yeah, shame on you, Longview. So my question to you is, which is your favorite city to drive in, and which is your least favorite city to drive in, or either or?
Least favorite is definitely Dallas.
Yeah. Least favorite is most definitely Dallas.
You know, for the most part in your home city, you can have like a near miss or two every once in a while, but in Dallas it's like ready for a near miss like every 5 minutes. People are just like, there ain't no room for me to get over. Guess what? I'm doing it, and I'm going in fast.
Yeah.
Dude, they don't even bounce.
Thumbs up to you, Austinites.
Good job, Austin. I haven't been there to... It doesn't bounce.
I know, like, defies physics.
Yeah.
It bounce if you fucking... Oh my god!
They don't bounce.
That one bounced.
Well, that one kind of bounced. So, anyways, that's our questions. What is your least favorite city to drive in?
Either or.
And have you ever built a project that you've seen on this channel? If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Because... why?
They help the algorithm!
And also, because I do a really bad job at it, I'm going to remember to do it today. In case y'all don't know, I got a merch store and I've added a lot of designs to it. Oh, actually a lot since the last time we talked about the merch store. There's even follow-up designs now.
You can get shirts with our disgusting faces on it.
Yeah, and even coffee mugs or a sticker.
Or a sticker. You can put it on whatever you want. Your car.
Or a pillow.
Your guitar. You can sleep on the Means Woodshop, boys.
You can if you want to.
If you wanted to.
Or watch Breaking Bad.
Looking at you, Gary.
Yeah, come on, Gary. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, too, because there's brand new project videos out every Friday.
Brand new!
We follow up on those projects the following Wednesday. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a video.
Ringy ding, motherfucker.
Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. And he will see you next time. I missed.